Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. You've heard the announcement, you've seen the news. Stuart Baxter is officially the Kaizer Chiefs coach, back for the second time. The last time he was at Chiefs, it was in 2015. He was the last coach to win a trophy at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are going on the 7th season without winning a single thing. Ujude Kanye is always our analyst. Uzibonile indaba ndoda, Stuart Baxter is the Kaizer Chiefs coach. What do you make of that?
Me, I'm not excited. One, yes, Baxter, make no mistake, is one title in a row.
Yeah, twice.
But I'm not impressed because which players that were there? Because Pierre Shabalala, the guy who scored the World Cup 2010 Open. They win in Spain. Brazil. Players who could take a game by biggest sentence. We have Soliniani. Utawa bega still energy basis corner. Mashamaite, top goal scorer Kutawa and Mashamaite, the Bashiana, become top goal scorers. You had a couple of players, Jobang Isho Parker, his best by then. So, beginning of players that could do things open. The philosophy was Saki. Being a good friend, as long as Peter one playing diagonal balls. We only master this thing. Only master Kaizer Chiefs. We were pinned offering. Ulo NS do magatata over from 30 metro but to Baxter I believe na ngalama player was signing upegi H badlala ngabantu abadala kakhulu. Most experienced players bazwine labachita yena just apply ufikela bawathangisha ama player ilabantu abacoacha ngama emotions ilabantu abafuna team yabo tactically nyamnika but typically English coaching philosophy yakhe play with crosses ipole semoyeni dlala ngespeed esi1 no game management. But my players, you can check abuye njoba ngishabu phaka bebali move around. You understand nkuleka bo Sphiwe taking game ezandleni zabo. Bona bothawa njoba ngishabu phaka. Bekuna ama player that bemenzela izinto sipiro ngoba ama national team manga check 11 Chiefs bedlala. Bekwa ama player about 8 or 9 by first starting 11 ku national team.
Yeah.
So irresponsibility bayithatha those players. So mina uPaxton ngeqolisa nkuleko Ajax solution for Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, make him mess ku Kaizer Chiefs. Uhambe, yes he won. Ivar kunamanye ama game azowachayisa. Azowawina. Udlala njoba ngisho transition. Akana plan B. Ibamba I cannot say okay sharp. Bangibambile transition these people babonile they sitting at the back. He play with one speed. You understand and ufuna abantu aba experience. Young kids it doesn't akusumuntu pilivela kuma skillful players naye. Akusumuntu pilivela kubantu whereby impatient. Game many been ama moments kuleyo. If ndlala ngespeed esi1 Pirates ngenza example on Sundowns or ne SuperSport or ne Celtics, you must have game management. Ubakhohlisa abantu. But now and I'm sure development tab is not going to work anymore in njoba joinile. Development akusumuntu believe ufuna abantu aba ready made. So mina nkuleko all in all abo Baxter I'm sorry. Manje is going to sign players.
I was gonna go there because I think me and you see as Uguti behind the scenes there is a lot of work being done with signing of players. What do you make of that? What kind of players do you think we're gonna see at Chiefs?
I want best speed. I want who can hit, people who can fight, not ball players, not talented and special players who've got a big heart. Yes, big heart.
Some of the names that you've heard are there. Do you think these guys are gonna change fortunes?
If I head to Hamadin. Unange.
Yeah, there's also some of the players.
Yeah, but still
obviously they're not signed officially yet, but those are some of the players.
Yeah. Going backwards, they should have gone for special players. My normal having signed a player that they're good. Celtics, Solus. Very good player, but Kaizer Chiefs, the question is he gonna fit? He might look very good. It does have a big heart now. If fans coming back to the stadium, once he signed, what is expected from him, psychologically, uzoba crane now. With a coach that is on the bench, uzoma allow Kichimene Pola and then step over now. Very difficult. So I'm a player about signing for me going backwards. So Ustuart then again work as now. Before I'm a player along with Zengaruma before he comes.
Yeah, obviously those players that were linked to Kevin Hunt at the time.
Yeah.
So he may be looking at different players here, Stuart Baxter. But maybe that's not the point. what kind of Chiefs will start seeing? Because Makanya made a very good point. It looks like Kaizer Chiefs. Its structure and philosophy sabo is to Middendorp, Gavin Hunt, Stuart Baxter, ingathi kubo indlela yabo yokudlala bafuna ukudlala i-diagonals nama-crosses.
And then ukulahla iculture kufana nawo bohlaba endlini manje.
Sure.
And then awusahlabi ngenza example mina
Yeah, for
now siphila isintu iculture sekhaya kuyahlatshwa sometimes kwenza utshwala besintu bese izinto zenzeka uNkulunkulu nabakini bakwenzela izinto direction bese uyasuka bakubeka esentini awusahlabi you'll go back emkhukhwini the simple culture bayiluzile yeah ama sisters kaMtawungdenu balahla culture they baluse into like they need to reshuffle the whole technical team mina ngiyamhlonipha uBrake uyalazi Paula. Look at the village has built. It is the only team that has built. Actually, with the direction icon. But the technical team, I think mentality, bakacheli. The past abantu bebasana ma player that they were there. We need to be straight honest. Since they took over from Uprasten, it tells you good question mark. So Uprapos niyamhlonipha. He need umuntu ozom assist a person that probably. Or also bring up a philosophy. Mina ngitshelile Nkululeko ngithi bangimangazile bangalethe uFarouk Khan. Ingimangazika kakhulu especially for head of development. Ngeke ngingamlethe uKhan.
You don't believe in Molefe Ntsaki?
He's got 10 years ku Amoni. Ku academy Amoni for 10 years. Imine there. Imine and one experience for under 17 national team. So it tells you off ramp. Umlife I'm sorry, for Kaizer Chiefs, it doesn't understand the culture and philosophy.
Utaima Mutawung was saying Utuzobaneta to go back to their philosophy and culture.
One
Uchilo Brake ngomlomo wakhe.
Nyamhlonipha uBrake njengoba ngisho asibona ngokufana but uBrake himself ivar mele sibe nyamhlonipha mina. I-opinion uBrake is a person who's provile. Is a leader in South African football, has played a big role. But la uBrake honestly is supposed to consult. Yabo kunama players that they played there bebangadlala role enkulu abo Thabo Moki bona bo Cyril Nzama you understand Mabedi and Mabo Brian abo Dr Khumalo it's supposed to be advise ukuthi Brake bafana bakithi makunje mancabang njoba ngitshela is got 10 years Amoni ngiyenzile research ngayo 10 years academy Amoni mine coach Mangaung ngebit experience properly 1 year under 17 in national team ngeke ngibali national team bafana no beka ofreba bekenza vice versa bambizela ama player uthi alibheka adlala teamini yalibiza iplay idlala eEurope ngalibiza ne philosophy yakhe beka approach ku bafana isiyona so uBrake should have gone Farouk Khan Nkululeko is proven yangwenya le yamfethu look at the experience having akasekho ku Chiefs look at the players that is producing currently Bekuluta Singh ubheka umpetha all the players who Khan has produced base Europe iBraga is one of the choppiest league ngoma ngePortugal ama player kaKhan wadlala ku DStv Premiership ukutshela enye into ukuthi yena mhlambi DStv Premiership the last time I spoke to him uyasho ukuthi my son ngiyathi but DStv Premiership for me ama players wami second choice I look in Europe Sweden ama player kadlala la you understand my brother so uKhan mfethu kwenye level bheka lentwana le uLuta Singh going to Brazil at 11 years old aye Brazil ayohlala no ngiyaxolisa Nkululeko mangibheka uLuta philosophy yabo Kaizer Chiefs they support to bring players that dynamic ama player nenhliziyo afana uLuta bafana abantu abatake abantu on eSouth Africa uKhan I know you bring players that can make things happen into nayo etaku he wants skillful players mara basebenzisa ngendlela right hayi labantu abahlala ngamadole epolime akafika lapha he fail so at the early age so uKhan understand ukhiphe uJabu Pule ngikutshelile form limahlanga ukhiphe iThumelo Nkhuni ukhiphe manje Gerald Sibeke team manager ukhiphe abo Isaac Mabutho ukhiphe mina I myself Junior Khan ukhiphe uThabiso Skapi Malatsi look at those players ubheka iculture iphilosophy you understand so kule kwenyaxolisa umuntu ozofika awukhana ungamdelela the last time iKaizer Chiefs ifida umushina win ama trophy ifida mushini even said ubongikhana no Teddy Mitro is students yakhe futhi mabam promote ukuthetha makafika wathi ucela uKhan as assistant yakhe because students yakhe eschool basiqale bonke uTed said it ukuthi ama player awatholayo akasebenzi kakhulu njengathi kufika aba simple for him abokhuni because uKhan emphasize philosophy of first team ne reserve side is not going to differ and under 17 under 15 going down he's going to bring couple of coaches abafana na so bomteki doesn't know
All right.
nothing.
Let's go back to Baxter a little bit as we wrap up our conversation. Obviously, football fans are football fans. Ukhona ukuthi because Stuart Baxter is coming, bona they're just looking forward to winning a trophy. Bazolchaya is a trophy. Obviously, at some point, if he lasts there for 2 years, maybe you'll get 1 or 2 trophies.
Yeah, Ivar.
What do you say to them? Because bona they could look at it as a success just because they won 1 or 2 trophies.
Ivar Nkuleko, Ivar ukuthi angalichayisa eliwana. Is a fortunate coach. Fiek Super Sport. Yeah, angalichayisa.
So men's I wonder, you won 2 league titles. It's not that bad.
Ngabobani.
They're still at least you won 2 league titles.
But ngimess.
Yeah,
Ele
no.
manje ukhumbule lokho football namanje. It's about mawukhuluma kahle sikhuluma kahle mina nawe. He left in 2015, right?
Yeah, last time with Chiefs 2015.
Yeah, it's about 6 years.
Yeah.
Now, if football has changed, Sundowns they've been winning a style of play sabo. So, my team akusekho easy. Ufikile ku Super Sport with all the facilities. Azanga enze next. Yabo bamambisa. So,
Bafana didn't do much as well.
with the whole beyangana abroad. Yabo you could call it abana contract bafana. You look at this philosophy. Yo, I mean Pakistan yaxolisa very a lot has been said. I know is on less. Mangcheka mina the way adlala ngakhona approach game ngakhona. Bantu abacoacha ngama emotions. Limit ama player ilento abathangisha ama player bawashout. You want to be bossy, not a coach. Nyamhlonipha, make no mistake, umchita we win el Kaizer Chiefs. But in fact you need to be realistic kuleko. Abantu bayisaba iqiniso ukuthi bekumele babe patient nama support abakhulume nawo. Babuyise back way you last forever. Nomuntu abazomsigna basign phezwe. You understand Nkuleko? When I watch Spain like amalangeni Spain
friendly matches.
Kula friendly game. Ngibukela Spain isidlala Portugal. Kuleko angisifene Spain ngifene Brazil mina. But Spain number 2 after Brazil. They gone back to their philosophy. You understand? They went Rico the coach. He has brought back the way yabo philosophy. Lento yabo ukuthi bazoletha boba is no longer any coach was happy a performance. They play nil but he was happy. And ubeke continuously. Ile intenzo utila post when he won the World Cup. Lost it to Euro but he keeps some players. Lay foundation. And honestly pega ichema win convincingly 2010 with the style of players. Amo babone bambisi pole moyen philosophy yabo. And then they won it. Convinced first game they lost what I know will come back. Cause we ask ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. So Nkuleko nyaxolisa abo Stuart abantu abawina ngazi kanjani amagoli amangena ngenye indlela. So same high ball. Kora ngenhloko kusasa une hope bantu inhliziyo bazibambe kusasa mayengenzakala uzowina one right trophy probably but the football has changed. It's going to be difficult for him.
There you go. That's Stuart Baxter, the coach of Kaizer Chiefs. A lot of names have been mentioned. Abantu Bafuna, Lona, Loa. But I think from the beginning, there was a rumor that Stuart Baxter Nonseki, and exactly that's what happened. At first, they announced Mule Finseki, and then eventually they announced Stuart Baxter as well. We shall be here, obviously, when the matches are playing. We'll take you through the matches. If it's good, it's good. If it's not good, it's not good. We will be here as Itiski TV. Thank you very much for watching us.